Now next, still warm up, but you can try little advanced. Now see what you need to do. Come closer to the wall. First look here, watch everybody. Come closer to the camera. Look here like this. See, you need to sit this way. Here. Okay. I'm bending the knee here. Toe is pointing towards the hip. I show you in another angle also. First watch this angle properly. Okay. Then see the gap in between your leg, only this much. One knee is on the edge of the mat, another heel is on the edge of the mat. Okay, so the gap in between your both knee, it is same like a shoulder apart. Okay, nice. Now after that, see what you need to do. Now I put my right hand down. So right toes will be down, left toes will be down. See, right hand down. Inhale, same like a wheel. Okay, raise the chest up, raise the chest up. One time you can look up, then look on the mat. Okay, then again exhale. Now don't forward directly. If you directly forward bend, you will feel dizzy. Okay, so don't forward directly. Just 2 or 3 seconds, sit straight. 2 or 3 seconds. Then slowly exhale, raise the toes up. Okay, forward bend. See, raise the toes up. Again, same hand. Take the right hand at the back. See, finger pointing behind. Now see how I will rotate my palm on the mat. See, now I rotate my palm, and up. But if you can't, I'll show you another one. If you can't, take it here. Then try to catch it here. Now, Miss Rose and Miss Foreigner, if possible, raise the knees up. Okay, and push the hip down. See how I'm pushing my hip down. Push the hip down. If possible, raise the knees up. But if you can't, so stay here. Again, 2 or 3 seconds, just stay here. Then forward bend. Now, those who can't, you need to go closer to the wall. And see how far. I put, it is same like 2 vertical block gap. Okay, take the toe there. Toes here. Then right hand down. Inhale. Now see, left hand will go to the wall. Right? Then with the help of, take the both hand here and keep going down. Keep going down. Then again exhale, 2 or 3 seconds, just stay here. Then slowly forward bend, raise the toes up. Okay. Only 3 times, right? Then change the leg. See how I sit here. And the gap in between the both knee. Ready everybody? Totally advanced. So first I'll show you the easy one. Now if you're having this type pillow or that normal pillow, you can use to put under your knee to just protect your knee, and that will make you feel more comfortable. So I take a 2 block and see how much gap from the wall. 1 vertical block gap from the block and wall, and put the both block here this way. Then I put my right knee on the block. See, raise the toes up. Toes pointing up. Remember, toes pointing up. Okay. Now, first, push the hip down. Okay, use your quadriceps flexibility to push the hip down. Then slowly raise the hip up. To put your hands to the wall. Inhale and exhale, exhale. Elbow straight here. Push the chest, shoulder forward. Elbow straight, look up to the wall. Then again, inhale up and exhale. Just here, forward bend, go out of the block. Okay, this is easy one. It means you can follow. Now I show you little difficult. Miss Subhadra, you can also try. Miss Sangeeta, Foreigner, Rose, chair. Okay. You need to do same thing, but the knee is little bit high. In the previous one, there was 2 block, right? So it's less. Chair is high. Just that is a difference. Now, take 4 finger a gap. Don't touch your chair to the wall. Just take a 4 finger a gap here. Okay. Now, put the knee on the chair in the center of your chair. Now, for you, you need to raise the heel up. Those who are using the chair, see the feet position is different. With the block, raise the toes up. With the chair, toe to the wall. Push the hip down first. Now, if possible, hold the chair. See, in the beginning only, if possible, hold the chair. Now, rotate it, rotate it, rotate it here. Elbow straight. After that, if possible, front knee straight. Okay, first keep bending the knee. You can catch your chair or you can catch your ankle or hands to the wall. Then knee straight, front knee straight. Little bit push the hip back. Little bit push the hip back. Or see the feet. You can bring under your head, behind your neck. Okay, then go down and exhale. Be careful. Kneel. See Miss Rose, try to elbow straight. And Miss Forene, Miss Sangeeta, you need to use a wheel. If you have, take a wheel. If you don't have wheel, use 3 block. Okay. See, you just put wheel to the block wall and put it 1 block under, so it will be stable. So see everybody, first what you need to do, then I show you the easy variation after this. See, first you have to go in a cat pose. First everybody watch here. If you feel difficult, then I show you easy variation. So Miss Forene, Miss Rose and Miss Sangeeta, you can use wheel. If you don't have wheel, so just take a 3 block to the wall. Okay. Bring the right leg forward. Yeah. Only heel. Okay. Don't touch your feet to the wall. If your calf or ankle is touching to the wheel or block, then it will be unstable for you. Push the hip down. Now after that, with the left hand, catch the ankle. Bend the knee. Rotate your shoulder. Now, another hand will be go down. Another hand is keep moving as far as possible. And this will be straight. Try to straighten your hand. Head will be down. Keep pushing the hip down. Okay. You need to do this. If possible, you can use both hands. But both hands, it is difficult alone. You need someone who can support you. Then just forward bend. Thalam. Now I'll show you the easy one. Thalam, relax. For that you need to use a strap also. No block. Now, see, I put the strap down. See, I double my strap and I just put it down here this way. Then after that, come in the cat pose, touch your heel to the wall. Now, if you can't do front split, so bend the knee here this way. Okay, bend the knee here. If possible, do full front split. If you can't, just bend the knee. Now see, hold the strap both sides. Okay, then just try to rotate your shoulder. Back knee straight. If you feel uncomfortable, you can raise the toes up to the wall. And just here. And elbow straight. See, elbow straight. Just keep moving on the strap, look up. Then again, just put the strap down. See what I do? I hold one side strap, then another side strap, and just try to bend my elbow. Then you can raise the toes up and just keep moving behind. Arch your back. Then I exhale. Forward bend little here. Then keep arranging your strap down and just go down here. Then change another side. Okay. Already everybody, you do with the V. So if you can't do front split, you try the second option. Use a bring the chair in front of you and put the elbow down here. But make sure knee and hip 90 degree. Knee and hip 90 degree. Take it here. Touch the heel to the wall. Now I hook a strap in my ankle. Okay. Now see, I put my elbow here this way. Now try to raise the knees up. Now see, this hand will help you to find the balance, support. See, raise the knees up, and little bit, see, push the hip towards the wall. Raise the knees up, and then bring it here, elbow, bring it. Okay, but make sure your chair is not sliding forward. Okay, and raise it up. Take it up higher. Then in the end, try to push the hip towards the wall as close as possible. So the leg will go more up and it will have more stretches. And stay here. Try to elbow straight. Keep pushing the hip towards the wall and straight. This way. Okay. So again, see, same here, one more time. First I fix the elbow down, hold the chair properly. Now hook the strap. Now with the help of strap, try to raise the knee higher, raise the knees up, and don't tilt right or left, it should be in the center. Then bring the elbow forward, look at one point, raise it up. First you need to come in the cat pose. Okay, now watch carefully here. You need to come in a cat pose. Then I am taking my left leg up. Okay, properly come in the cat pose first. See, now I am taking my left leg up and catch it here. Raise it up. Okay, same leg, same hand. Take it up here. Then after that, if possible, try to just raise it up straight up here. Now, while to come to the wall, when you are putting the feet here this way, it will help you to support little bit. It will make you find the balance. Okay. Now, if you can't, you can use a strap. In the beginning only, you try to hook a strap and just try to rotate your shoulder and raise it up higher, as high as possible. Okay. Now, I show you a little difficult from here only. What you need to do? You have to, after catching the ankle, you need to go down. So, I will show you in two ways. You check which one is comfortable for you. Okay. First is direct, but in the beginning only, you can put your elbow down. See, elbow, finger pointing forward, not here, forward here. Then see, I rotate my shoulder and just chest down. Hip is up. Okay, then see, hand is straight forward. After that, you need to catch it here. Interlock your finger, maintain balance, and try to elbow straight here. If possible, back knee up and straight. Okay, in the end, raise the back knee also up. So this was the first method you can hear. Now another method, what you need to do, come in chaturanga, come in Ashtanga Namaskara, this way. Raise the hip up. Then one hand is forward. Then I'm taking my knees up and catch the ankle here. Raise it up, straight here. Move your back knee more forward, raise the hip up, maintain balance. Catch it up and elbow straight. If possible, back knees up and straighten your hand. Okay, but if you can't, so you just hook a strap to the ankle and just try to raise it up and take it up here, stay here, look up. So this one is easy. Check everybody. Look here like this. Again, I will show you two poses. One will be difficult. I show you three poses. One regular, then second will be like intermediate, and third will be very difficult. See the first one. I show you the medium one, what is exactly. So after that I will show you easy variation, and after that I will show you more difficult variation. So first I show you the final pose. It is a Nataraj only. Catch the toe. Now raise the knees up properly. Then catch the ankle. After that, interlock your finger, and after that just try to push the chest a little bit forward, elbow straight. Okay, you need to look at one point. So this is the pose. Now I show you easy variation for that first. Say hook a strap in your ankle. Say hip to knee straight and hand straight on the chair. Then rotate it here, raise it up, elbow up. and just take it up here. Look straight. Aim to raise the knees up. See, don't aim to raise your upper body. Aim to raise your lower body higher. Upper body can go down more. How much your upper body is going down, that much your leg will go higher. Okay. Now I show you the difficult variation. You have to take your, come here. See how much gap from the wall? Straight hand. Okay. Here. Then put your feet here. In the beginning, raise the heel up. In final pose, if possible, touch your heel to the wall. Right now, knee is bending, but in final pose, you just push the body far from the wall, so knee will be start making straight. Now from here, just take the hand back and try to rotate here. Then another hand will go to the wall and just keep moving down. Elbow straight. Now say push the chest forward, so slightly it will start straightening. Keep pushing the whole body far from the wall. Elbow straight, lock the elbow. Then in the end, try to look to the leg. Okay, keep the elbow straight. So this is the advanced variation of that Nataraj. Forward bend. Okay.